What's up guys, this is TampaTec and we're gonna diagnose my car, see what the code is using my diagnostic car tool, and then we're gonna try to fix my car and clear the code, the check engine light, and see if that fixes the issue. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the car diagnostic tool, OBD 2 tool. We're gonna scan my car. Let's go ahead and do it.
Usually underneath the steering wheel, you'll see this plug.
All right, so let's go ahead and plug that in while the car's turned on. And the car is running right now. And let's go ahead and hit the enter button. All right, so it looks like we got one fault right here, and it's P0348. They said the code is relating to the camshaft position sensor, and this is what I needed to order right here. It's actually two, but I think I only need one. Now that I know the component to replace, I didn't know where to replace it. And so I went to the Lexus dealership parts department and they showed me where. All right, so according to that paper, this is bank 2, that's a cam sensor right here. And let's go ahead and remove that. I got my 10mm socket. Let's go ahead and put this on, ratchet. There we go. Make sure it doesn't drop. Grab that. I should have used a magnetic socket, but I don't think I have any of those. I'm not sure. There we go. We're good there. And now I gotta pull this one straight out. Oh man, that's on there, good. And then you want to pinch right here, and then pinch and slide this out. Pinch the back end of the plug, and it should slide right out. And it's a little oily, but as you can see, this is it right here. There's a part number somewhere on it. This is Japan. And oh, the O-ring is broken. It has something to do with it. Not sure. Oil up the new one. So you want to oil up the new one right here. And let's go ahead and put this in. This is it. And this is the part number right there. Let's go ahead and check the wiring too while we're at it. Feels good. And then let's go ahead and put this on. Make sure it clicks. Push it in. Make sure the O-ring is on. Yep. Push that on. And then just go ahead and put in the new one. Just make sure it's snug. Quarter turn. That should be good. Everything looks good. Check everything else out. Okay, let's try it out. It's back on. Alright, car's on. And now if the car doesn't start, or it has rough idle, or it's hard to start, then you definitely have an issue. And so now we should still have the code because we didn't erase it. And here's the check engine light, which is expected. So we're gonna clear the code. Yes, and it is gone. Yeah, that's cool. And it's still gone. So yeah, it looks like it is working for now. If I drive it later on down the road and it pops back up, then I know something else is wrong. Maybe the wiring or something else, or another sensor. And if this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, tech videos like this coming your way, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.